So today I'm going to be a little bit more vulnerable and talk about NFTs. I think it's the future. I think the metaverse is sadly the future. So just understanding how to do the basics of NFTs is very important. And this is what I've learned. So unless you've been living underneath a rock, NFTs stand for non-fungible tokens. So number one, it means that it's non-fungible. This means that it's unique to only you, and you actually own the rights, the copyrights, if you will, to this art piece, music piece, anything really nowadays that's kind of in the artistic world that you can actually own. So non-fungible means that it can't be replicated or replaced. Number two, most of us know as blockchain, Bitcoin, any coins, those are fungible. This just means that it's not one of a kind. So number three, I'm gonna read this because I am not even close or giving you financial advice or anything. I'm just trying to tell you that it exists, and this is kind of what I've learned from it. So don't quote me in saying that Austin told me to invest and blah, blah, blah. This is just kind of understanding it. So the dumbed down version of buying NFT, just by doing my research, is buy ETH, which is Ethereum, transfer to a wallet, buy on an NFT market. So for example, obviously not sponsored by any of these, but download Coinbase, get Ethereum, download MetaMask as a wallet to transfer Ethereum to your wallet, and then your NFT market can be the OpenSea, which is obviously a NFT market. Go to PrayingAustin.com. You'll see some NFT markets that you can directly click on. There's some blogs about NFTs that I've learned, and just a lot of helpful information on PrayingAustin.com. So go check it out. Let me know what you're thinking about it. Is it the future? Is it not the future? Are we screwed? Are we getting in the metaverse too soon? Is this the Matrix? Who knows?